Welcome to Unwiring Life. If you're aiming to add a professional flair to your emails, you've come to the perfect spot. Today, I'll guide you through creating a custom email signature in Gmail using a stunning Canva template that's just a few clicks away. Grab the template PDF from our description or the pinned comment right below this video. Open it up and click on the Edit Template button to jumpstart your customization journey. This editable template, crafted by the creative minds at Unwiring Life, is designed to be fully customizable. Start by clicking on Use Template to open a new design canvas where your creativity can shine. You can change anything you like, be it your name, email, company logo, or anything else. Let's focus on the profile picture for a moment. Click on Upload, select your best shot, and place it right into the template. Feel free to adjust the size and position to match your style. Once you're happy with the design, it's time to make it ready for use. Click on Share, then Download, and choose GIF as the file type to keep things dynamic. Download it, and let's move on to integrating it into your Gmail. Open your Gmail, hit the settings icon, and navigate to see all settings. Here, in the signature section, create a new signature, give it a name, and upload your freshly created GIF. Set this new signature for both new emails and on reply/forward to ensure it's used consistently. Scroll down, save your changes, and voila! Your emails will now carry a piece of your personal branding, making every send a bit more special. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.